Good morning reception and welcome to Wednesday's maths lesson. Let's begin by warming up our brains. On the screen I have two trolls. I have Poppy and Branch, and they have been decorating themselves with some flowers. Just by having a look at the photo, can you tell me who you think has more flowers? Okay, well we're about to find out. I would like you to pause the video and I'd like you to count all of the flowers on Poppy, all of the flowers on Branch, and then we're going to compare the numbers to see who has more. Okay, off you go. Right, shall we go through the answers? So let's count Poppy together. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Poppy has 9 flowers. Let's count how many Branch has. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Branch has 8 flowers. So looking on our number tracker and looking at our number blocks here, we can see that 9 is bigger than 8. So Poppy has the most flowers. She has more than Branch. Great work everybody. Let's start our lesson. So today is the 20th of January 2021 and our skill today is to find one more. The things you will need for today's lesson are your number tracker, your blue book and a pencil, and if you would like an extra challenge at the end of this lesson, I've included a worksheet too. Today we have Mochi Moo the cockapoo helping us just like yesterday. He did such a great job helping us find one less. He's returned for another maths lesson to help us find one more. So the Mochi Moo cockapoo maths master says, one more means we are adding. So we go up our number tracker. Every time we find one more, our number is getting bigger. So if I have 3 and I want to find one more, I go up my number tracker to find the next number. And we have 4. You can see on the number blocks that 4 is bigger than 3. So more means bigger. Can we say that together? More means bigger. Great. Okay, let's do 3 questions together and then you're going to have a go at doing some by yourself. So, Mochi's got all dressed up for you today and this time we're going to have a look at his food. Because Mochi's only 10 months old, so he's actually still a puppy, but growing every day. And he needs some food to keep him nice and strong. So let's have a look at his breakfast. How many pieces of shredded wheat does Mochi have? Okay, should we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mochi has 7 pieces of shredded wheat. Now when we're adding one more, we add 1. So let's give him perhaps one more piece. But before we do, every time Mochi asks for a treat, he has to do a little trick. He has to give me a paw. So let's see if Mochi can give us a paw for one more. Are you ready? Yeah, well done Mochi. So let's add one more piece of shredded wheat for Mochi. Perhaps on your number tracker you can look now and find one more. What's one more than 7? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 more than 7 equals 8. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Let's say that together. 7 add 1 equals 8. We can also say that 1 more than 7 is 8. Together, 1 more than 7 is 8. Fantastic, everyone. Let's go on to our next question. So that was breakfast, and now it's time for lunch. And Mochi has some blueberries. How many blueberries does Mochi have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mochi has 9 blueberries. And when we're finding one more, we add 1. So, before we add 1, Mochi, can you give us a paw for one more? Ready? Yay! Well done, Mochi. Let's give him one more. Okay, how many do I have now? Use your number tracker or tell me now. Right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 add 1 equals 10. Can we say it together? 9 add 1 equals 10. We can also say 1 more than 9 is 10. Together, 1 more than 9 is 10. Great work, everyone. Okay, let's try one last one together. We've had our breakfast, we've had our lunch, and now it's time for dinner. Now there's a lot of gravy bones. How many are there? We have, let's count together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. I don't know if you can hear Mochi barking, but he's barking in the background because I think he can hear his name quite a lot. Mochi! See if he'll come and say hello. Now we know where we have 12. Remember, 12 is our number of the week. How exciting. We also know we've got 12 because we have one tens frame completely filled with gravy bones. That's 10. And then if we were counting on, we would have 11 and 12. So that's another way of looking at it. Now, we have 12, and to find one more, we add 1. Now, Mochi, can you give us a paw for one more? Ready? Yay, that's amazing. Let's give him one more gravy bone. How many do we have now? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So 12 add 1 equals 13. Let's say that together. 12 add 1 equals 13. We can also say 1 more than 12 is 13. Together, 1 more than 12 is 13. Fantastic work, everyone. And I think you've done so well. Can you please give yourselves a pat on the back? Here is your challenge to do now. In your books, I would like you to find one more than some numbers that I have put on my screen. Now, I've helped you by giving you the number sentence already, and you just have to find what one more is on your number tracker. If you don't have a number tracker to hand, you can use some counting objects to help you. Now, some of you would like a little bit more of a challenge. So, for those children, I have put a little worksheet here. Now, this worksheet has some picture cards on it. And then pictures go all the way up to 12. What I'd like you to do is count the pictures, write them in your book, and then add one, making your number sentence in your book. Okay, pause the video now. Good luck with your challenge, and when you're ready, unpause the video and I'll go through the answers with you. Okay, are we ready to go through some answers together? Right, the first one. 1 more than 7 equals 8. Question number 2. 1 more than 3 equals 4. 1 more than 11 equals 12. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 4 and 1 more equals 5. 6 and 1 equals 7. 1 more than 5 equals 6. And last of all, our number of the week, 12, add 1 equals 13. Give yourselves a big pat on the back if you got some of those right. Well done, everybody. I have had the best lesson with you, and I'm looking forward to another maths lesson with you tomorrow. Make sure you have a break, and I am sorry for Mochi barking. He just got so excited about our maths lesson. I'll see you tomorrow, everyone. Bye.